Hi guys, Shaun from Optics. So today we're going to be looking at the Schmidt & Bender 6-36x56 PM2 high power. So this is one of Schmidt & Bender's latest rifle scopes. This is 6-36x56. It's a first focal plane, and this is going to be the rifle scope for the guys who are looking to use it for precision rifle shooting, or the police or the military. This is a proper top quality target rifle scope, also for those competition shooters who are looking to push the boundaries. So we're going to get straight to it. As standard, we get the tenor blacks covers included. They're threaded straight onto the eyepiece and the objective, and that's due to Schmidt & Bender allowing the threads to be the same as the tenor black system. So this makes it a lot easier and a lot less bulky. We then move forward onto the magnification ring. The magnification ring now accommodates the Schmidt & Bender power throw lever system, which means you can quickly adjust the magnification from the power throw lever system that Schmidt have. This is around about £100 retail to have that. We then move on to the 34mm main tube. So the internal adjustment is dictated by the turret system that you choose. As normal, Schmidt have lots of configurations on the turret. So today, on this model, we've got the DT27 system. So what that means is it's a double turn turret system, and you'll see this has a ability to lock simply by pulling the collar and pushing it up and down. So you'll see here it says locked, and now that's unlocked. Simple as that. We're on our second revolution as soon as this turn indicator comes up. So I will demonstrate that here. Going the wrong way. There you go. So we're on our second revolution when that tactile indicator pops up. What the DT27 turret provides you in terms of adjustment range, 27 mils. They then have a DT35, which gives you 35 mils of adjustment, based upon the same low profile design, which means you can mount this in, say, a set of spur mounts with a length of Picatinny rail that sits on top, and you can then put red dots on there. These low profile turrets have been really well received by the military and police guys because they want a 2-in-1 system. We then look at the DT2 and the DT2 Plus turret systems. They're providing 30.5mm rads. And finally, if you're looking for that ultra long range shooting and you're wanting the creme de la creme as such, something that gives you a wide magnification range, look at the multi-turn 2 Plus. So the multi-turn 2, sorry. And the multi-turn 2 will give you 39.5mm rads of adjustment, but it will give you a 0.5mm rad click. So you've got a finer click. So that paired with a well-designed reticule which Schmidt & Bender produce, you're going to be able to test the ability of your shooting out to extreme long distances, out to 2 miles, especially paired with the right caliber. These scopes are absolutely perfect for. So if you're looking for ultra long distance shooting and ultra precision, get the multi-turn 2 system with that 39.5mm rads of adjustment, and get that 6-36 magnification range. The other option is the 10-60 in the competition. That's the latest high magnification scope from Schmidt, and we'll be hitting a video in the next few weeks. So be sure to check that out, and I'll run through the specs on that scope. But let's get back to it on this. So one of the main differences you'll see from the 5-25 to the 6-36 is you've got this illumination now on the parallax. So this is LPI. So LP from Schmidt's acronym position means illuminated, and L means illuminated, P means parallax. So we then are seeing that move from the main tube here, which obviously threw a few issues for the left-handed shooters, and they've taken that into account and moved that to the parallax. The parallax on this 6-36 system is down to 20 meters, And as you can see, it's quite easy to know if you're touching the illumination or you're touching the parallax, because there is a definite size difference. With the Schmidt & Benders, you get an 11-step system. So like I said, 20 meter to infinity. We've done the turrets, and then we move on to the windage. The windage, again, depending what turret system you choose for the elevation, you will then have a windage turret that accompanies it. So for this DT27, we've got a turret under the cap, and plain and simple, single turn system, and you make your windage adjustment, put the cap back on. Means so for transportation, it's going to be making sure it stays in the same place. That sort of squares away the main feature of this 6-36. This has been a really good optic that they've brought in, and we're really happy to actually be finally getting some stock in of them, and it's something we're going to be focusing on those high magnification, high price point rifle scopes, just because it does give you all the features that anyone shooting at distance is going to want, and it provides you with some of the best glass on the planet. If you want to check out the rest of the range of Schmidt & Benders, head over to the Optics Warehouse website. Always check out our YouTube channel. We're going to make sure we get a clear run of Schmidt & Bender videos onto our YouTube, just because we know how difficult they are to understand. You can always drop us a call or drop us an email and make sure we get back to you. Like and subscribe, and put a comment below if you want to see a video that we haven't talked about recently. Cheers, guys.